In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove DoorDash payment method. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to tap, whether you're on the DoorDash app or using the website on a computer. First, open the DoorDash app or head to the DoorDash website in your browser. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, and if you're on mobile, it helps to have the app updated so the menu names match what you see here. Next, log into your account. Use the same email and password you normally use. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. If you run into a verification prompt, just complete it so you can access your account settings. Once you're in, go to the account area. On the app, you'll usually find this by tapping the account tab at the bottom right. On the website, look for your profile icon or your initials at the top corner and click it to open the account menu. This is where DoorDash keeps your personal settings and preferences. From there, open payment methods. Depending on your version, it may be labeled payment, payment methods, or wallet, but they all lead to the same place: a list of the cards and payment options saved to your account. Now, find the card you want to remove. Double-check the last 4 digits to make sure you're selecting the right one. This is especially important if you have multiple cards that look similar. When you found it, tap Remove, Delete, or look for a small trash can icon next to that card. On the website, this option might be inside a 3-dot menu or under an Edit button. Select the Remove option to start the process. Finally, confirm the removal. DoorDash will usually ask you to confirm so you don't accidentally delete the wrong card. Once you confirm, the card will be taken off your account. Keep in mind, this only removes the card from DoorDash. It doesn't affect your bank or card account in any way. If you don't see a remove option or it doesn't let you delete the card, it's often because the card is set as your default payment method or there's an active order in progress. Changing your default to another method or waiting until the current order completes typically resolves this. If it's your only payment method, DoorDash may require you to add another one before removing it. That's it. You've successfully removed a payment method from DoorDash. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to check out more quick guides just like this.